There's no shortage of cheap phone mounts on the market, although if you're after something that's a little more convenient than the others, then this could be for you, the XCAN. The XCAN does what other vehicle smartphone holders do, but adds some extra tech into the mix, providing some extra convenience, namely wireless charging, the ability to grip the handset automatically, both of which are nothing new, but with integrated NFC we can also automatically open your desired app when docking too. Constructed of black plastic, the item itself seems reasonably well built. We have a gloss black faceplate which attracts dust very easily, mind, and with some branding in the center and a status LED in the top corner, otherwise looks sleek and simplistic. On the sides we find spring-loaded arms which open and close automatically, depending upon whether the unit is receiving power or not, and talking of power, that's supplied via the USB-C port beneath the unit, alongside this slightly tacky looking but otherwise functional phone stand, with a generous sized cable being included in the package. Otherwise, on the rear we find more plastic, cheaper looking plastic mind, with some ventilation and the unit's main mounting point, complete with two solutions provided in the box. A standard suction cup mount complete with extending arm, as well as a clip mount for attaching to your vehicle vent. Both incorporate a ball joint mechanism which snaps into the cradle and can be tightened into place depending upon your chosen orientation. It also means it's easy to switch between portrait and landscape orientations too, so no complaints there. And with power attached to the unit, the arms open, ready and waiting for your handset. With a handset in place, I'm using an iPhone 11 Pro Max in this example, the arms close and I must admit they hold the handset really quite well. No moving about, it's actually quite a firm grip. With power switched off, the arms instantly open, providing access to remove your smartphone, although let's say you want to exit your vehicle while the engine is still running and power is being supplied to the XCAN. Well, that's covered too. We have two small sensors, one on either side of the unit, and upon touching these simultaneously you are able to remove your handset quick and easy. No faffing about. And throughout testing this worked perfectly well each and every time. What's more, with the handset in place, not only does it begin charging automatically, the NFC tag provides the ability to launch Google Maps for navigation too. Android users though have it a little better with an available app that lets you choose which app you want to launch, although this doesn't seem available in the Apple App Store just yet, but should hopefully be coming soon. With a good overall construction, not absolutely flawless but good enough to get the job done, as a phone mount it works really very well. The automated arms coupled with that NFC tag and wireless charging all offer great convenience, and for once Android users have the advantage with an available app too. All features blend together nicely and work really well together. I'd like to see higher quality materials to be fair, but otherwise if you're after that extra convenience in a rather attractive and professional looking design, then this could be right up your street.